So one thing our fleet platform does is it makes it really easy for you to see the stops of your company vehicles. That's kind of what most of our customers care about. So you can see all the bubbles. This is obviously track history, but you're able to go back and just kind of see, where they were, the stops, the starts. This is an actually weird address. What's this one? Well, I can see here on Friday they used the company car to go to Medieval Times. Sure, you know what Medieval Times is, but it's like a family jousting, something you're not supposed to be using the company vehicle for. We were kind of trying to show the track history of this, but this is a great example of using the vehicle when they're not supposed to, which is for personal use. They got there at 8:30, left at around 11. They were there for 2 hours and 22 minutes, and I can see the parking space they were in. So our employer are using company vehicles to go to Medieval Times with hopefully their family, because if they went by themselves, that'd be really sad.